Hey there, Odooers. My name is Jose Ignacio. Today, I'm going to show you how to connect, configure, and use Odoo's Gmail plugin. The Gmail plugin lets users work directly from their Gmail inbox while staying connected to Odoo. You can create contacts, opportunities, tasks, and more without leaving your email. Let's jump into Odoo and see how easy it is to set up and use. So before we start, we need to make sure that our database version is 19.2 or later. Let's open up the settings application over here and scroll down to the very bottom. Perfect. Version 19.3 is right there. All right. Now let's go back to the main dashboard over here and open up the apps application. Perfect. All right. I'm going to clear the filter right now, and then we're going to search for Gmail. Great. All right. There we have it right there. We want to make sure that the Gmail module is installed, and it is. So we are ready for the next step. Now that we're configured in Odoo, let's move over to Gmail. All right. To install the add-in over here inside of our Gmail inbox, we're going to select the plus to the far side. All right, this now gets us this nice little pop-up over here where we can search for apps, and we're going to look for, you guessed it, Odoo. Perfect. Now that we have this one, we're going to select Odoo Inbox Add-in, and we're going to click Install. Great. It's going to have a little pop-up where you're going to select Continue, and then you're going to grant it access. So select all for the little checkbox, and then select Continue once again. Complete this process, and boom, Odoo Inbox Add-in has been installed. You're done right there. Once everything is finished, you might need to refresh Gmail. So let's close this out. Give this a quick little refresh right there. That's perfectly normal. Okay, great. Now we see the Odoo logo over here in the right side panel. And that's it. The email plugin for Gmail is installed. Let's click the Odoo icon to open up the plugin. Great. We've got this nice little tool over here to the right side now. The first time we use it, we're going to need to connect our Odoo database. So to do that, I have to open an email. Any email is going to do. And in that case, we're going to click on right here for this one. And there it is. You're going to see it's now going to ask us for our URL. So let's go grab that real quick. My apologies. I'm trying to make sure that I have this copied and pasted. We're going to paste it on in there inside of here, and then we're going to select login. Okay, once that we do that, we're going to select allow to grant access over here. And after the authorization completes, our Gmail inbox is now connected to Odoo. Now let's open the email from Anita Oliver over here. So when the plugin loads over here, Odoo can help us create records directly from this email. Since Anita didn't exist in our database yet, we're going to first create a contact. So we're going to select right here, add to Odoo. Boom. Once we did that, we have this button that has now evolved and changed into view in Odoo. When we click this, it takes us over to a new window. And inside of this new Odoo tab, we can basically, give me 1 second right there, we can essentially have this new contact be created already prepared with everything from the email information. And once that everything looks clear and you've done your changes, you can just save it. And now it exists. And now that it exists, we can create an opportunity. So back over here on our Gmail side, underneath the area that says opportunities, I'm going to select new. Boom. Odoo opens a brand new opportunity in another browser tab, and you'll also notice it right below there as well. And the title is automatically populated using the email subject, and the email content is included in the notes section. With just a click, we've transformed an email into a CRM opportunity. So now back over here on the Gmail one last time. This time we're going to create a task from the same email. Under tasks, I'm going to click new. And the plugin now is going to ask us for which project we'd like to use, or we can create a new one entirely if we wanted to use the nice little create project button. So I'm going to select a project. So for ours, we're going to do the renovations one. And oh my God, I don't even have to search for it. It's right there as well. We're going to click our existing project. Boom. Immediately, a new task appears. Just like before, the email subject becomes the task title, and the email contents are automatically added to the description field. From here, we can assign team members, schedule activities. We could do things such as adding deadlines as well, and continue managing the work directly in Odoo. To verify everything was created correctly, we can open the project app and select the renovations project. And let's go do that now. So back over here inside of Odoo, first of all, there's the nice little Anita Oliver contact form. If we go back to our main page and we now select project, we're going to open up the renovations one, and boom, What do you see? There we can see our new Anita Oliver task ready for follow-up. And there we have it. The Gmail plugin makes it easy to turn inbox conversations into actionable records without ever leaving Gmail. Thanks for watching, and I'm going to see you in the next video.